every industry would definitely have the customer support team working from their desk. But there are also industries which would have teams that require these agents to be on the field, visiting houses, industries, and offices. Namely, telecommunication, media, retail, and e-commerce are those industries which would have teams that would be on the field visiting houses and offices. To make things more streamlined for them, we have come up with the field service management, using which the agents on the desk will be able to quickly coordinate with the field representatives, and the field representatives, on the other hand, will be able to quickly jump onto the request they receive and be able to process it at a much better speed. We're going to exactly see a workflow as to how this can be accomplished. In this example, a customer who is facing an issue with their dish hardware is sending an email to the company and getting help from them. So this gets created as a ticket inside Freshdesk, and the customer support agent understands that this is a field task and they create a service task quickly. While creating it, all the contact information like the phone number, name, service location is auto-populated as it is pulled from the Freshdesk repository. And also the subject and description in place also gets populated so that the context is already here. Now this agent can assign a team and identify a team member who can process this request. We are also able to check the time slot, the availability of the field representative's calendar, based on which they will be able to schedule a time and date for this particular agent. The start time and the end time are mentioned here, and they will also be able to increase or decrease the priority. Likewise, other fields can also be added based on which information can be provided to the field representatives, because as soon as they click on create, the field service task has been created. The field representatives can download the app from their iOS and Android phones and devices because it's available in the Play Store. So it's going to be the Freshdesk app that they need to download. Once downloaded, once they provide the credentials, they'll be able to see the list of tickets that are assigned to them. So this particular task which we created is available here for this agent, and the agent will be able to make a call and also check this location right from here. So they know where the location is, and they will also be able to call the customer if they need to get some additional information about it. So they can go there, process the request. And once the request is complete, then they could also update the team members seated at the desk. So the content can be put in here, and also an image can be added to tell them that the issue is being fixed, and the updated image can be uploaded to the ticket so that all the information the agent on the desk need will be provided by this particular field agent. Well, not just that. Every team would definitely need some confirmation in some other form, for which we have the signature part from which a customer can have this signed. So the signature is also attached, showing that there's a confirmation from a customer that the issue of a hardware or a delivery is being confirmed by them. Post which the field representative can update the status of this ticket. Say if it's resolved or closed, they can move it to an appropriate status on this particular app. So once the field agent updates the ticket, that gets reflected on the main ticket for the service agent, the customer support agent working from the desk, so that they can inform the end user about it. So just to quickly summarize, using the field service management, an agent working out of desk will be able to create a ticket or a service task, in other words, for the agent who's on the field. And the field agent will have all the information they need, like the phone number, contact details, location, appointment, start time, end time, and all the other additional information they need right on their mobile app. And they'll be able to process the request, post which they can provide an update on that particular ticket and also add images and attachments, along with which they can also add a signature as a confirmation from the customer, and then update the status, which is going to reflect on the main ticket that the customer support desk agent is working out of. And then they can inform the customer from there. That's how the field service management capability in Freshdesk would be of great help for those field representatives working across industries like telecommunication, media, retail, and e-commerce.